When Tesla will have a trend reversal, today I will give you the price and the strategy how to see Tesla will have a trend reversal. Click like, subscribe, and share with your friend. And this channel is ymchannel. Welcome to ymchannel. It's about the money mindset and trading strategy. And I hope you can benefit from this education platform. Okay, so now let's start. So Tesla basically, okay, now let's look at Tesla. We have an RSI signal. So this one is one of the buying signal, right? Remember? But I have mentioned many times, this is a rebound. This is not yet to confirm it is a long-term trend reversal, okay? But I will tell you how to look at it without using my indicator. But with my indicator, it's very easy. Just look at this blue line. So far it's still going downward. So basically, it means this one will be a rebound. And the good thing is we are now above this red line. And this red line is more sensitive, more fast. And if you want to trade short term, if you want to trade a short period, swing trader or like for the short rebounds, you have to use this red line because the blue line is for the long term. Okay, so now we are on top of this red line. So basically, it flashed one of our buy signal when they go above this red line. And you can see at the same time, the RSI also above 30. Okay, so it's one of our buy signal. But I want to mention one good thing is the red line is turning direction upward. So this one can be one of our support. If this few candle, they drop below, we will need to cut profit, okay? So you will need to sell it. So this is one of our strategy. So I want to show you one thing. I want to give you a reminder for the Tesla. So this is my another indicator called CHIPS, okay? So basically the red and the pink area is the organization holding. But what you can see here is this declining. It's declining, long-term declining. You can see here. So we need this one to be strong for the big trend reverse, okay? Another point to look at it is by Gumpy strategy. So in one of my education video, I will put the link below. I will put the link at the end of the video. So basically, remember, this is the low point. The second candle has to be the green candle. And we count backward. 1, 2, 3. And you use the highest point as a break line. Okay, we need to go above this line to confirm this is a trend reverse. Okay, that's so simple. So if you miss the RSI, if they don't have a RSI buy signal, let's say if they are not low enough to hit the 30, right? So we can use this method to buy in. But so far, it is so interesting because we are just below this line. You see this line basically serves as a resistance point also. You see here? So we are not yet above this. So this candle, the highest price is 240.5. 240.5. And you can use this low, if you use this method to buy. So far you don't have a buy signal, right? This strategy. So if you use this strategy to buy, your cut loss price will be the lowest price of this candle, which is 232.61. 232.61. But so far we don't have a buy signal here. So you don't need to do anything. Even today, basically the wick go below this price. Still, we don't use this as a cut loss price because we don't use this method to buy in. We use RSI to buy in. So you just follow your strategy. Okay, so far this is the next. So I want to give you more hints. Sometimes I don't have it. I don't make video in time. So for you to learn more, you can use this strategy to buy. Okay, and it happened to many stock. They have this signal already. They go above or they still battling this line. Okay, but what I want you to understand, this one we will trade for short term because first the blue line still go downward. Second, this cheapest is still going weak, is still going downward. So we don't have a strong evidence to see we are going very upward. So when do you want to buy more, right? So basically first, either you go above this, you buy, but you need to calculate the risk reward level. Is it 3 times reward than 1 times risk? Okay. And one thing, if you want to buy more, you have to go above this blue line. Okay. When they break through this blue line, this is a confirmation that this is an upward trend in long term. Does it make sense to you? Yeah. Okay. So this is Tesla. And yeah, so always need to set a cut loss price. Even we have a buy signal, always have a cut loss price, because you never know. It's like they can go opposite direction. But so far we're still making profit. But just to give you a bit more alert, because like some people get so excited when the stock go up, they keep buying. Even when the stock they go lower, they keep buying. Be careful of that. If it's a long term going downward, you need to control your position. Okay, so this is Nvidia. So let me repeat. So for example, the lowest point is here. And the second, so let's say this is a star. 1, 2, the second candle here after the lowest point has to be the green candle, has to be closing price higher than the highest price. So this one, and this is, so it's confirmed. And then we go back 1, 2, 3, and the third candle, the highest price is the break line. So you need to go above this to confirm this is a trend reverse. Okay, and this one, the lowest price as a cut loss price. Okay, so easy. So far we are good. We are still above this red line, and we are still on top of this red line, and then it's turning upward. So let's see how it goes. Okay, so today this is the update for Tesla, and I see you in the next video. Okay, bye. Okay, like, subscribe, and share with your friend, and give me your if you want me to analyze your stock with my indicator, give me your simple in the, you join me the email list, and I won't email you too many stuff, to be honest. I don't have the time, but join me the email list, and then you put 2 stock code there, and then basically I will email you with the chart page with my indicator, so you can have better understanding what's going on with your stock. Okay, so this is my sharing today. I see you in the next video. Bye bye.